Cloudera Data Platform, CDP, is the world's first enterprise data cloud. And with CDP Public Cloud, experience an integrated data platform that is easy to deploy, manage, and maintain. Cloudera Machine Learning enables enterprise data science in the cloud. Machine learning workspaces without waiting. Deploy new machine learning workspaces for teams in a few clicks, giving data science teams access to the resources they need. Elastic auto-suspending resources. Give teams access to the scale-out heterogeneous computing resources they need, while maintaining adjustable guardrails that help manage resources and costs. Portable and consistent. Move data and infrastructure anywhere without creating silos or changing the consistent user experience that data science teams rely on. Cloudera Machine Learning, just one of the securely connected experiences powered by CDP Public Cloud.